Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the right lower door hinge on this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 5mm Allen wrench. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 mounting screws, securing the hinge cover. Set the cover aside. Disconnect the 2 wire connectors. Have an assistant help to hold the door as you release the upper hinge support. Lift the front of the hinge out of the door first, then pull the hinge free of the bracket and detach it from the wires. Carefully lift the door off the lower hinge and set it aside. Lift off the hinge bushing. Open the freezer drawer, then use the 5mm Allen wrench to unthread the 2 left side screws, securing the lower hinge. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the right side screw to fully release the old hinge. To prepare the new lower door hinge for installation, transfer the shim from the old hinge to the new one. Align the new hinge on the frame and thread the 2 left side screws first. Thread the right side screw to fully secure. Align the bushing. Reinstall the door by setting it on the bushing. Close the door and reinstall the upper hinge by first aligning the wires in the hinge slot. Insert the rear tab into the bracket, then insert the front of the hinge into the door. Align the hinge support on the support bracket and push the support down to secure the hinge. Reconnect the 2 wire connectors. Reposition the cover and rethread the 3 mounting screws. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.